Good day, sir. I am John Dinos Batran. This is my phonetic foolishness. If you pronounce head, dead, and bread, you hear the last word rhymes with dead. And in this poem, you will surely find many items of this kind. For instance, dear and fear and here but beer. Gear and tear but wear and tear. Yes and less unpleasant but pleasant. Mint and pet but sweet and grit. The last word rhymes with frit and wit. Quite differently against his height, which sounds like bite, indict and light. The next line shall be read with care. The praying prayer says his prayer. Bend and lend and meant but meant. Not G and get and gem and gent. Vice but revise, advice and device. Lies but malice, police concise. We say dreamt, but also dreamed. The last word rhyming with estem. Grew and blue and new but sue. Cow and row but snow and row. Missless does not sound like measure. The same applied to treason, treasure. Bread and made and lid but said. Treat but treat and treat but treat. A prison is often called a jail, which world is also written goal. Now note the difference with goal, which rhymes with fall and dull and roll. All and joel are not like bowl. Try fall, then goal and lastly soul. We say freak and streak but stick. Lick and freak and speak but break. Mid thou was the sound of ed. Not led and led, read and read. Wear and weary, heard but bared. Dread but dreary, earned but feared. Bet and gate and street but played. Leave out the G in Gino and Jeanette. Sword but sword, and word by Lord. Load and toad and road but broad. Krill does not sound like seal. Rail not like zeal and heel. First say danger, then say anger. Count but country, southern south. Disguise but brace youth and hunt. Broke but brooch but brood but blood. Hoot but mood and food but flood. Mint but pent and cork but fort. Dull and gull and hull but full. Land and school but bull and pull. Our floor but tore and pour. We say bone and lawn but gun. Pronounced like dawn or dawn. Tone and stone and throne but dawn. Pond and home, scone but none. Now, reader always bear in mind the difference between wind and wind. The latter rhymes with rend and kind, breath and feeder, leader. Lethal, neither, either, thither. Giddy, give but gesture and gin. Beer is pronounced like berry in chest and chop and chin. Quite different from k and anchor, which rhymes like tinker with banker. Chemist, chums, cure, coir. Cut and watch and potch but touch. Butcher does not sound like crutch. Over has the spelling of lover and of glove and dove. Uncover, hover is not pronounced like clover, which sounds which sounds like dover and like rover. Liver rhymes with never and savor. Sounds quite different, however. How have shut of evil, devil, reveal and reveal on the level. Desert and desert, some and home. Thumb and womb, bump and but come. Life alive, live but live. Gods but Gudge, believe but sieve. Shield is different from shoulder. The same applied to cold and boulder. Bond but wand and rush but push. Lumber, plumber, rush but bush. Eve but ewe and front beetroot. Nuti is heard in fasten, hasten, which makes trim is arson mason. The same applies to listen, soften, nasty, hessy, faster, chaser, master, fleecer, taster, waster, house but lost, can but who. Worm but form and dull but tall, horse but worse and lost but pose. Come but valve and ball but pal, tall but tolly, gal but gal, star and bar and par but war. I wonder if you want some more? If so, try realm, created, heinous, fin, weird, vil, connect, conceited, shake, slit, skin, sweated, setted, debate, ate, senate. Can you beat it? Thank you very much.